You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Friday as a result of expectations that tapering will be delayed and therefore stimulus continue, following recent dovish commentary from Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke and Vice President and next-in-line Janet Yellen. The greenback ended the day 1.3559 to the euro and 101.25 to the yen. Today's data includes pending home sales, which are expected to fall by -1%, and Dallas Fed manufacturing activity, which is expected to rise to 5 from 3.6. Next, to the euro. The euro strengthened on Friday after a higher than expected rise in the sentiment data led to an improved outlook for the eurozone. The single currency ended the day 1.3559 to the dollar and 137.24 to the yen. Today's data includes commentary from ECB's Cover, Neuer, and Bundesbank's Wellman. British pound. The pound rose versus most counterparts on Friday, despite negative commentary from BOE chief economic Spencer Dell, as the outlook for the economy remained positive and UK monetary policy continued to compare favorably to other more dovish central bank policy stances. Sterling ended the day 1.6227 to the dollar and 0.8351 to the euro. Today's data includes house purchase loans, which are forecast to rise to 45,000 in October. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Friday due to a combination of a fall in safety flows on reduced US taper expectations and concerns about deflation in Japan after recent economic news. The yen ended at 101.25 to the dollar and 164.23 to the pound. Today's data includes corporate services prices in October, which are expected to rise by an increased 0.9%, and the BOJ October meeting minutes. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signal from expert of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.3485 with 1.358 and 1.3605 inside. The downside breakout of 1.3485, which will open the way to 1.346 and 1.344. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.619 with targets at 1.625 and 1.6275. The downside penetration of 1.6175, which will open the way to 1.614 and 1.61. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 100.95 with 102 and 102.5 as next target. The downside breakout of 100.95, which will open the way to 100.65 and 100.35. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.